Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to deploy a VPS on IONOS in 2026 and set everything up properly for beginners. Make sure you follow the instructions to the end. To deploy a VPS on IONOS, first you must go to servers, and in here you can select whether it is a Linux or a Windows, in which case I'm going to choose Windows. In here you would be able to see different plans to your liking, and I'm going to choose the $11 per month. You would see an operating system, which is Windows, system version. I can choose whichever Windows version I need. It depends on your preference, the data center, and after that you would be recommended to have a cloud backup, or if you don't want to, you can just simply unselect it, and then after that you can go next, hit continue, and there we go. For a 1 month term, I'm going to choose a 1 month term, and now I can continue to my order, and after that your VPS is now alright. That's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.